If you guys adopt these habits into your life, your chances of success go through the roof. What's good, guys? We're banging out this video real quick while the sun is still out, or it hasn't set yet. Now that we're going into spring, the days are longer, which is such a relief. Those short days get old quick. But today I'm going to be walking you through a few habits that successful people tend to have. And this is from me, like watching videos, analyzing what successful people have to say, and I kind of compiled them all into one little box. Made it pretty nice for you guys. So let's get started with the first one, which is cleaning up your area. So I've gone through times in the past in my life where I feel completely unproductive, and then I clean out my little desk, I clean my room, I clean my college dorm, I put stuff in the laundry, I organize, and instantly I get some newfound motivation to start getting back at it and going through what I have to do. Because think about it, if your whole room is a complete mess, why would you even bother making a video? I mean, the video will be bad because you'll have random things lying around your room and it'll be embarrassing. You don't want to show that to the public, how much of a slob you are, right? No one really does, unless you're like that guy. We're just going to assume for the purpose of this video that you're not that guy. So you want to have a clean room, you want to clean up, and honestly cleaning your room cleans your mind out too, because you don't get distracted by various things on your desk. You don't get like annoyed by maybe notifications on your phone. Yeah, even on your phone, clear that stuff out. Clear out your notifications, slide through them real quick. Maybe even turn off your phone for a bit. But definitely cleaning up your area. It's pretty self-explanatory, but it's super underrated. Go clean your room right now and see how you feel. So the second habit that a lot of people implement into their lives that are very successful is they refuse to take stuff personally. Now, what does this mean? Everyone gets criticism, right? Everyone gets criticism, and everyone even gets hate at one point or another. I guarantee you guys have probably gotten hate. If you don't, you probably live under a rock. But I know that when I was like beginning my YouTube channel, which was way back when I was actually getting a lot of views, back when I was like 10 or 11. If you guys didn't know that, yeah, fun fact about me, I've always wanted to do YouTube, but I got various hate comments and I let them get to my head. If you guys want to see a video that goes really in depth on that, it's actually the first video on my channel. Go all the way to the back, like back to January 11th or something. That video is literally about why I stopped YouTube back then, and I let it get to my head. And that definitely impeded my success. I mean, think about it. If I was making videos throughout that whole time, I would have had 10,000 subscribers by now, easily, maybe even more. And now that I let that get to my head, and I took it personally, I'm forced to start from scratch pretty much in January of 2022. But it is what it is. You know, I'll chalk it up to the fact that I wasn't ready yet. Also, I was making much different content back then that I probably wouldn't want to do right now. But it's besides the point. Successful people try not to take things personally, and they often go completely in the opposite direction of what people tell them. Like, if someone tells them they're no good, they use that as fuel to keep going, right? They use that as fodder to unload their clip at their next task. And that is the exact mindset that you want to have, because with that mindset, nothing can stop you. If the people that you care about cannot even affect your visions, dreams, and aspirations, that's how you know you have that winner's mindset and you're going to succeed. Now, the third thing that a lot of successful people do is they envision the future. Now, to elaborate on that, basically, a lot of people, what they do is they envision the life that they want to have, and they try to emulate that life in their mind, which is basically the same thing as envisioning it. but they think consciously in a way that would lead them to the goals that they want, and they know what those goals are, the specifics of where they want to go, what they want to be doing. I'm saying in strenuous detail. Like, if you want to be in Miami and have a Mercedes, you have to think that in your head. You can't just say, oh, I want to be successful. Because success means different things for different people, right? In order to truly know what you want, you have to kind of be very specific. And with those specifics in mind, you'll kind of manifest them into your life through your work, because you'll know that those are your end goals and those are what you're striving for. Plus, when you get them, it'll be that much better. If you just say, I want a nice house, you know, it can be any nice house. But if you say you want a penthouse in Miami Beach or in Fort Lauderdale, then it'll be so rewarding when you actually get that thing, because it won't be like a vicious circle where you get it and you want something else. You know that's what you want and you're determined to get it. And that's the end of the story, that's the end of the discussion, and no one can talk you out of it. So those are the 3 habits that a lot of successful people implement. If you guys implement these habits, you'll definitely become more successful, especially the last one. The last one is crucial, because in order to know what you're going for, you have to have specifics on what you want. And with that being said, I could rant on all day, but that pretty much does it for the topic of today's video. My voice is getting tired, as you guys can tell. It's already 6 o'clock almost, and I filmed a few videos today. So yeah, I'm off to do other things, but we'll talk soon. Adios, and thank you for watching.